Ohlelweni olubalulekile lokubhekana nezinselelo zezindlu, idolobha laseGoli lethule amatayitela kubantu abangama-50 abahlomulayo ePhiri, Ward 15 namhlanje ekuseni, kanti abamukeli badlulisa ukwaneliseka kwabo okujulile njengoba idolobha laligcwalisa izicelo zabo zesikhathi eside. Kanti iMeya uDada Morero ehambisana nelungu lekomidi leMeya lezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uMnumzane uMlungisi Mabaso beluleke izakhamizi ukuthi ziwugweme umkhuba wokuqashisa ngezindlu zabo.
Basule izinyembezi abahlala abangama-50 endaweni yasePhiri eSoweto njengoba namhlanje uMeya womkhandlu waseJohannesburg uDada Morero ngokubambisana nosekomidini likaMeya kwezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uKhansela uMlungisi Mabaso benikelele ngezincwadi ezigunyaza ubunikazi bezindlu.
We are now with Councillor Mabaso, MMC of Human Settlement, in a program to give out title deeds to at least 50 families of Ward 15 in Mapetla and Phiri, who for the longest of time had to share one 4-room, and others have therefore relocated to Luferein, and others have remained. And those that have remained, we have now given them their title deeds, restoring their dignity and giving them an economic tool into the future.
Kusenjalo uMabaso unxusa abantu ukuba bazinakekele izindlu zabo.
Well, that is a most important document. I mean, it confirms the ownership of the house, and if you lose that document, you lose the house. So it's imperative that they protect these documents, they store them safe, and they make sure that they do not land in the wrong hands, and also that they also plan for the future, so that at least they avoid the family disputes when the original beneficiaries are deceased.
Lolu hlelo lomasipala lokuqeda ingqinamba yokuswela kwezindlu njengoba ke kunalabo sekuphele iminyaka engama-30 babhalisela izindlu. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngisePhiri.
Khona manjalo omunye wabathole itayitelo selindi iminyaka engama-20 ukuze abe nomuzi ukhumbula umzabalazo wakhe ubesenxusa abanye abanikazi bezindlu ukuthi bazibophezele banakekele imizi yabo.
After 20 years being looking for title deed, last week they came to me, they gave me an appointment. Title deed 14, and they've done that, and I appreciate what had happened. Challenges because of now, before I get this title deed, we were only 2 rooms this side and 2 rooms at the back. So there's a toilet, there's anything. But after they opened this 15 years ago, they didn't do that. But today I appreciate because of the clearly. Now I can go anywhere having this title deed. You know, more there's some challenges because of what they're taking an advantage. Or how was the title deed? We found one high or rising, another title deed somewhere, of which is wrong. Because South Africa as a whole, I know you get to have only one title deed, not 20 title deeds, because now replace more. And so there's nothing Loriano, Sanse repeated, Nakrata the way as government institutes, and I must, more especially, I thanks my councillor and a mayor as I see them on to what's going on.